You need to eat that food or get it out of the fridge.
It's not my food. Daddy put it here. Anyway, sorry guys. Where did the egg go? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's put that in the fridge. And anything that we can put in the fridge, we're putting in. Okay. Got some burger buns. We're gonna put that over here. Sorry guys about the background. If you can hear it. Alright, let's put the snacks up here. Where did the croissants go?
Oh, wait. Eat that mat.
Please. Oh, okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Just put that in here. Yeah. Okay. I got some more cereal. I got some more tofu. Stuff like that. And I got some this is gonna survive us a few days. Right? Yup. Definitely. Oh. I almost forgot about in here. So much to put in. Got so much to put in the fridge. Let's put you in here. And you can go up here. Okay, let's put that up here and there. Alright. No, I think he left for work. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. Bam bam ba-da-dum ba-da-da-da-dum bam bam ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum.